Middle School, this is Mrs. Parker on this Thoughtful Thursday. I want you to think about a couple of things. First of all, there is some game going around that I obviously don't know the name of, nor do I understand, where you are supposed to get the last lick, which usually involves smacking somebody and run away, chasing them, and I'm telling you that needs to stop because number one, that's already caused 2 fights, and we're not putting up with that at all. And number 2, it's immature. So I want that game to stop. I also would like it if you guys would stop running up behind each other and jumping up on each other's shoulders, because that is not safe behavior and it is also immature. So as we get close to the end of year, all of you should be thinking about what's coming next in your lives, which is the next mature step in your lives, which is going up a grade level. Many of you are going to high school. So let's make sure that we are behaving as is appropriate to our age and not engaging in things that are unsafe. Today is an exciting day because today all of our 8th grade students who are high school ready, which means they've earned all of their credits, I see cheers behind the camera in front of me, are going to be participating in our awards ceremony this evening. Students, all 8th grade students who are graduation ready, middle school graduation ready, will be asked, please come to the MTI auditorium. Please make sure you arrive no later than 5:30. When you get to the auditorium, your name will be on a seat in one of the front rows. Please find your seat and have a seat. Remember, guys, this is a big deal, so please dress appropriately, no shorts, and make sure you are dress code appropriate. We are excited about celebrating you, which is the topic of the evening, and all of your accomplishments. Many of you will also win awards in either a subject areas nominated by your teacher or things that you've done, outstanding accomplishments in clubs, sports, band, chorus, art, you name it, all of our speaking competitions, history fair, math counts, academic team, so many things that you guys are going to be recognized for, as well as those IB attributes that we talk about all year. We're going to have students that were nominated by their teachers who exemplify or who model most those IB attributes. We're going to recognize you, as well as students who have earned all Howard, which means that you exemplify everything that is Howard. So I'm extremely excited. This is one of my most favorite things of the entire year is our 8th grade awards/graduation ceremony. Looking forward to seeing all of you who have earned that privilege there this evening. I can't wait to celebrate you. In the meantime, we are going to remain academic focused and have a great day. The choice is yours. And as always, go Bulls.
Hey Howard Middle, this is Peyton Atchison here with a few words of wisdom. Make amends with those who have wronged you. Apologizing doesn't mean you're wrong and they're right. It means value relationships more than ego. Healing begins with a simple gesture. Reach out, forgive, and let go. Remember, peace starts with letting go of pride and embracing understanding. Value relationships over ego and create a path to mutual healing and peace. With a few words of wisdom, this is Peyton Atchison. Go Bulls.